Alrighty everyone, Teacher Sam here. We're going to be making a recycled or upcycled ring toss game. So the recyclables that I'm using today are things that I haven't thrown out, things I've saved, like an old shoebox. I saved toilet paper rolls and paper towel rolls. And then I have some paper plates and I have some extras. So I'm going to upcycle them into a game. So these are the materials you'll need to start. I'm going to get out some paint and I'm going to paint these pieces. I'm going to paint the box, I'm going to paint the toilet paper rolls, and the paper plates. Thanks. Hi everyone. We're here to use recycled materials to make a ring toss. I showed you a moment ago the plates we were using, the toilet paper rolls, and the box. So I went ahead and painted everything. I put some red paint on here. I painted my plates different colors, and I painted all the different toilet paper rolls. So the first step is to secure the toilet paper rolls to the top of the box. So I'm going to start with the big one first, and the first step is to take it. We're going to cut a couple slits at the bottom so we can have tabs to tape it down. So I'm going to take my scissors and make one cut, two, three. Three should be enough, and so I'm going to carefully open the flaps like this. So now, as you can see, we kind of have a little bit of a stand, so it almost looks like there are these flaps on either side. So now I'm going to find a spot on my box, and I'm going to use my tape, and I'm going to tape down each side of the toilet paper roll, or this one's a paper towel roll. So I'm going to take another piece of tape, tape down this side, and one more here. So now you can see when I pick it up, it doesn't fall, and there is our first piece for our ring toss. So next I'm going to attach the other 3 paper towel rolls. So I'm going to do the same process. These cuts I'm going to make a little bit smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the smaller ones I'm going to do 4 to make it so they can stay open. So I'm going to go around, make the tabs. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find another space, and I'm going to tape it down. If you have a bigger piece of cardboard, you can tape down more than just 4. I'm only taping down 4 because I'm not going to have very much space. And I actually might not use all 4. I might decide I only want 3. So now that one's taped down. I'm going to choose to put on my blue one too. So I'm going to do the same thing again where I'm going to cut tiny cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the tabs. It's almost like turning it into an octopus, except an octopus has more legs. This is only making 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to find another place. I'm going to tape it down. And maybe after I'll go around and I'll color my tape. All right, so now we have the ring toss board set up. As you can see, there's 3 different points for me to throw and aim for. So next, you might need an adult or a sibling to help you. I'm going to cut a hole from the center of my plate. So I'm going to actually kind of fold my plate in half a little bit, just in order to make the first cut. And then I'm going to open it back up. And so that way it stays kind of like a circle. I don't want to bend it too much. You can see I've made a first cut right here in the paper. So now I'm gonna slide my scissors in very carefully. And I'm gonna carefully hold the edge so I'm really far away from the inside of the scissors. And I'm just going to start cutting as best as I can. A circle. So now my paper plate has a hole in it. And the idea is that you're going to be throwing paper plates to land over the top of your ring toss. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the green plate. I'm going to put a gentle cut. I'm going to fold it, put a little cut in there, keep my scissors in, and carefully cut around. You may want a grown-up to help you with this part. This is something that Teacher Sam's had to practice a lot. Okay, so now I have both my rings. Mothra. You guys can see this is the kitty cat Mothra. Mom. She lives at my house. There she is. Hi, Mothra. All right, so now we have all the materials ready, our 2 rings and our game. So I'm gonna demonstrate. Now everyone, you can see I have my game over here. I have my rings, and I'm going to stand far enough back, and I'm going to try to see if I can get it on one of the tops of the toilet paper rolls. Whoop! I missed that one. Let's try again. Oh, I missed again. Yay! I actually got the green on the green. All right, everyone. Can't wait to see how your ring toss game comes out. Have fun!